In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your Instagram password if you forgot, step-by-step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're very new to this channel, remember to click on the subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about Instagram, you'll be notified. So without being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how to see your Instagram password if you forgot. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So whether you are using iPhone or you are using Android phone, this is just the normal procedure to follow. So click on settings. Right, so you have to scroll down and right here you have to look for Google. Then you have to click on manage your Google account. Then you have to come to security. Then down below right here, you have to click on password manager. Then select your Instagram. Then you have to click on here to make your password visible. So this is your Instagram password right here. So this is how to know your Instagram password if you forgot, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, click on the like and remember to share this video for your loved one. Thank you for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.